Hello, so today this is my, I don't think it's part 1 where some of the item does not arrive yet, so and I don't have any casing, so this is zero price casing that you can get. I make one hole for two hole for hard disk, this one for cable, this one for my, I make this one too for personalization. So I feed it up here later, and I will show you the complete process of it from the moment. So this thing, I can say it's big. It's my own PS4. Oh, so it's much bigger. So the next thing is I made it so this is only a half project of my free case DIY. So I got this one here for power supply next, because I don't have any power supply right now. So, and this one part of it downside there, so that's it. When I will make some hole for this case.